Philosophers and mystics over the years have told us time and again that money will not come to you just because you need it. Money will come to you when you do something that benefits the world, right? When you do something that gives some advantage to the world. And there are now lakhs and lakhs of professions out there, but out of those hundreds and thousands of professions, there could be at least one profession that you are crazy and passionate about. The one for which you can give sacrifice, for which you can sacrifice your sleep and your rest and everything. That one profession about which you are passionate is meant for you. And believe me, this is one thing that will give you fame, money and everything you ever desire. So do it, because this is something you are meant for, right? See that if you are passionate about music and you are doing a teaching job, what are you going to end at? Nothing. Because you are at the first place in the wrong position, right? If you love, for example, acting and you are doing a job in a factory, what are you going to end at? Nowhere, right? Because you are again in the wrong position. So do what you love to, and the one that is your passion, and you can do crazy like things for that, and I'm sure you will end at something really special. And this is what will bring you fame, money and everything. So choose your profession wisely. Remember the simple rule: if you're crazy about something, do it, and money will come after you, believe me. That's it for today. See you next time.